Vitamin C serums are essential for radiant, youthful-looking skin. They brighten your complexion, fight free radicals, and help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. With so many options on the market, finding the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 vitamin C serums for your face: Skinceuticals C E Ferulic, Roche Posay Pure Vitamin C, Obagi C Serum, TruSkin C Serum, and Drunk Elephant C-Firma. Stick around to discover which serum is the perfect match for your skincare goals. Kicking off our list at number 1, Skinceuticals C E Ferulic. Skinceuticals C E Ferulic is a cult favorite vitamin C serum known for its potent antioxidant properties. Designed for all skin types, this serum is especially effective at targeting signs of aging and environmental damage. Key features: this serum contains 15% pure L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid. These ingredients work together to enhance protection against free radicals while boosting the skin's natural radiance. Its lightweight formula penetrates deeply into the skin for long-lasting effects. Benefits and usage: regular use of this serum improves skin texture, reduces fine lines, and fades dark spots. Apply 4 to 5 drops to a clean, dry face in the morning for all-day protection against environmental aggressors like pollution and UV rays. Usability: Skinceuticals C E Ferulic has a water-like texture that spreads easily and absorbs quickly. It works well under sunscreen and makeup, making it an ideal addition to your morning routine. Durability: each bottle offers lasting results for up to 6 months, thanks to its stabilized formula. With consistent use, you'll notice significant improvements in skin tone and elasticity, making it worth the investment. In the second spot, we have Roche Posay Pure Vitamin C. Roche Posay Pure Vitamin C Serum is a dermatologist-recommended option for those seeking brighter, smoother skin. Its gentle formula caters to sensitive skin while delivering powerful antioxidant benefits. Key features: this serum features 10% pure vitamin C, salicylic acid, and neurosensine. These ingredients work together to brighten the complexion, refine pores, and calm irritation. The lightweight texture ensures a non-greasy finish, perfect for oily and combination skin. Benefits and usage: Roche Posay Pure Vitamin C Serum improves skin brightness and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use a small amount in the morning or evening after cleansing for visible results within a few weeks. Usability: the easy-to-use dropper allows precise application, and the serum layers seamlessly with other skincare products. Its non-comedogenic formula ensures it won't clog pores, making it suitable for daily use. Durability: packaged in a UV protective tube, this serum maintains its potency for months. Regular application ensures smoother, more radiant skin with reduced dark spots over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Obagi C Serum. Obagi C Serum is a professional-grade vitamin C serum that delivers targeted solutions for hyperpigmentation and aging skin. Its concentrated formula caters to those seeking visible, long-lasting results. Key features: this serum is formulated with 10 to 20% L-ascorbic acid, depending on the concentration chosen, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin while delivering potent antioxidant protection. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving the skin refreshed. Benefits and usage: Obagi C Serum reduces dark spots, fine lines, and uneven skin tone while enhancing collagen production. Apply 5 to 7 drops in the morning before sunscreen for best results. Usability: the lightweight texture is suitable for all skin types and works well under makeup. It's particularly effective for those dealing with stubborn hyperpigmentation or dull skin. Durability: packaged in a dark bottle to preserve its potency, the serum remains effective for months. With consistent use, it delivers noticeable improvements in skin clarity and texture, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Taking our 4th spot is TruSkin C Serum. TruSkin C Serum is a budget-friendly option that combines the power of vitamin C with botanical extracts. It's designed for all skin types and delivers multiple benefits, from hydration to brightening. Key features: this serum contains 20% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E, as well as botanical ingredients like aloe vera and witch hazel. These ingredients work together to brighten, hydrate, and protect the skin from environmental damage. Benefits and usage: TruSkin C Serum brightens dull skin, reduces redness, and diminishes the appearance of fine lines. Use 3 to 5 drops on clean skin, morning or night, and follow with your favorite moisturizer. Usability: its lightweight, non-sticky texture makes it easy to incorporate into any skincare routine. The formula is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, ensuring it's safe for sensitive skin. Durability: the dark amber bottle protects the serum from light exposure, maintaining its effectiveness. Regular use leads to noticeable improvements in skin tone and hydration, making it a great option for daily skincare. And finally, at number 5, we have Drunk Elephant C-Firma. Drunk Elephant C-Firma is a clean beauty favorite, offering a potent blend of antioxidants and enzymes to rejuvenate and brighten the skin. Its innovative packaging and formula make it a standout choice for vitamin C enthusiasts. Key features: this serum contains 15% L-ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin E, along with pumpkin ferment extract and pomegranate enzyme. These ingredients exfoliate, hydrate, and protect the skin for a radiant finish. Benefits and usage: Drunk Elephant C-Firma targets uneven skin tone, dullness, and fine lines while promoting collagen production. Apply 1 pump to clean, dry skin in the morning for a glowing complexion throughout the day. Usability: the airless pump packaging ensures precise application and protects the formula from oxidation. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, making it easy to layer with other skincare products. Durability: Drunk Elephant's innovative packaging preserves the serum's potency for months. With consistent use, it delivers long-lasting improvements in skin tone, texture, and hydration, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. Choosing the right vitamin C serum is essential for achieving radiant, healthy skin. Whether you prefer the powerhouse SkinCitical C E Ferulic, the gentle yet effective La Roche Posay, or the innovative Drunk Elephant C-Firma, there's a perfect option for everyone. Each serum on this list offers unique benefits, from brightening and hydration to anti-aging and environmental protection. Incorporate one into your daily routine and enjoy the transformative power of vitamin C for a glowing, youthful complexion.